Introducing the new 2019 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe. This model here is a black on black with a 10-speed automatic transmission, 6.2 liter V8. Your 20-inch wheels right there. The more I look at this car, it seems like they're trying to make them look more and more like the Bumblebee Camaros on Transformers every time they redesign it. All your controls, Bose sound. And what they started putting to kind of catch up with Ford and Dodge, you've got your forward collision alert, your side blind zone, and then your rear cross traffic alert. Glad they're adding a bunch of safety features. Heated and cooled seats. Everything else is pretty much similar to the 2018 models. You got your sunroof there. Interior dimensions are almost identical, if not identical. Like I said, your dual mode exhaust down there. Still sounding good. Love these tail lights. Like I said, trunk space and everything's the same. So other than the new aggressive look they have for the body, nothing else has really changed for the 2019 Camaro.